Today we got a video from behind the mugshot, and the title of the video is Family with Baby Hit by Drunk Driver. I only had one drink.
A sudden accident shattered the peace of one family. Emotions ran high, and the search for truth began.
She freaking threw the bottle out the car. She's drunk.
The mother was furious, and her only concern was her child.
All I'm thinking about is my baby, my baby, my baby, my baby.
Despite this, the girl continues to deny any involvement in the car accident.
I've never hit anyone in my life.
Baby okay? Is the baby all right?
I don't know. We need paramedics.
You can say. They're on the way.
We need paramedics. This woman was driving her car. She rammed us in the back and she threw the bottle out the car. She's drunk. She's fucking drunk.
Which lady?
This lady right there, the short white lady.
What is she driving?
This car.
The gray Honda?
Yes. And the car in front is her boyfriend. She started calling her boyfriend. She goes, I'm going to jail, baby. I'm going to jail. She freaking threw the bottle out the car. She's fucking drunk.
Hey, how's it going?
Hi.
Which car were you in?
This one.
This one here?
I was in Swig and I was in shock.
Okay.
Absolutely. I've never hit anyone in my life. Yes.
Were you involved in the accident?
I've never been in a car accident. Yes. I will take full responsibility. No, I am not drunk at all.
Okay.
Like point period at all.
You and your mom too?
That's my car. This is my girl.
Oh, yeah, nothing to do with the crash?
I live right down the street. She called me. She just left. That was that.
Is your car crash at all?
No.
No?
No, this is my girl, so I'm here.
Is the car registered to you, hon?
Oh, my mommy.
Okay. Hold on.
I think both cards are attached. Not sure. I did just call my mom.
Is there registration, insurance in the car, you think?
Yes, everything's in the car.
What are you doing? She's on drugs. She was... Check her.
Guys.
Hiding stuff.
Just calm down in front of the kids. Just relax.
She was throwing stuff underneath the car. She was, baby, I'm going to jail. Rummaging through things. She tried to drive away. She threw the bottle out the car. She's on drugs.
So you're saying
This came from her.
from her car?
She threw it out the car.
Are you guys okay? Are you guys injured at all?
My head.
We cannot like get actually. We need to put the baby outside. That's why we're trying to get up.
We both hit our heads on, like, I feel like burning on the top of my head, and I can see marks on the top of his head.
Can you close your eyes for 1 second? It does look like you got like a little, yeah. I mean, there's a little bit of a bump on your forehead there. Just make sure they check you out too, okay?
Okay.
You're good, bro. Are you guys injured at all? Well, not you, but are you injured at all? Yeah? Okay. You didn't get hurt when the airbag went off at all?
Honestly, I didn't even feel it because I didn't even know.
Okay.
Because I didn't even know that they were parked there, to be honest.
They were parked on a road?
Yeah, they were parked on the road.
Like on the shoulder, or
and they
okay?
didn't have their hazard lights on.
Their lights are not even on.
They just put them on now.
So their lights are not even on. So they're parked on the side of the street with no lights on.
Okay.
Did you check their dial?
Oops, my bad. The boyfriend need to just shut the fuck up, bro. You wasn't even there, bro. Just shut the hell up. You wasn't even there. Like, I get it. You're there now for moral support, but just shut the fuck up. You wasn't there, bro. Golly.
See if the lights are on or off.
We're more concerned they had a baby in the car, and they're saying the baby looks like it's injured. So.
I get it.
So why
I
are they parked on the side of the street?
I was a nanny, and I understand that whole situation, but like...
Did they get your information already, your driver's license, all that good stuff? Okay.
So they were just stopped, hazards. Their lights are not on.
Like no lights.
They have no lights on in the car.
Okay.
Dark road.
It is.
And you can tell they have no lights on because the front lights are not off. They have running lights on.
What's going on? How you doing? Everything all right?
Yeah. Are you guys gonna DUI test her, like, for alcohol and?
There's an officer on the way.
Yeah, we're gonna handle it accordingly. Are you okay? Are you injured? No?
I got like my head is burning on the top. It's like burning. It's burning
The
there.
airbag went off? It's probably from the airbag.
It didn't go off.
No, it didn't go off?
Hers went off, but mine didn't.
One of the other officers has already typed up the crash report for you. So we're just waiting for the other officer to get it.
How's the baby?
They said the baby's fine.
Okay, good.
And you said that you saw her throw out the bottle of Tito's out the window? Yeah, okay.
And I'm like, you're drunk. She's like, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Are you okay? Is your baby okay? Blah, blah, blah. Like, you know, like, are you serious?
Gotcha. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay. Do you mind telling me what happened today?
So we were driving home because we live in this community right here, and I'm driving. My husband's in the car, the baby's in the back seat, and then we got hit in the back of my car from this woman over here.
And what color pants and shirt is she wearing, just for clarification?
She's wearing black pants and was that cream top.
Okay. She's a white girl, black girl?
White girl.
Okay.
And so we pull over. Well, we just were shocked. So we're sitting in the car, shocked, and all I'm thinking about is my baby, my baby. So I check and see that he's like alive and breathing, and I see that he is. And then after that, we get out of the car to see like what has been done. And then the woman threw. We see her throwing the bottle, and then we hear the bottle cling, hit like the pavement on the side.
Okay.
So then I'm like, oh my God, like she's trying to throw the bottle out, like she's trying to get rid of evidence. So then I go to her and I'm like, you're drunk. And she's like, I'm so sorry. She's like, I was drinking, but I'm not drunk. I was drinking, but I'm not drunk. Okay. And then she tries to leave. She got in her car, closed the door. I started taking pictures.
She was the only driver in the car? She was the only person in the car, correct?
Yes.
Okay, and was she on the phone prior, talking to someone prior to that?
Could have been, but I can't confirm that.
So you didn't hear her on the phone before?
I did hear her on the phone.
Okay.
Yes.
Afterwards? Okay, what did you hear her on the phone say?
Come on, I know I'm nitpicking right now, but do you really think this is the time to smoke a Black and Mild right now? Like, at least, come on. Like, I know I'm just nitpicking, but come on, can we show you giving your statement right now? Like, I think there's more important things than that Black and Mild. I understand you stressed, but come on, it could wait another minute until you done giving your statement, and then go do what you're doing while you waiting for the paperwork and all that stuff, or whether the car's gonna get towed or X, Y, and Z. But I just think, come on, like, not right now.
Heard her on the phone talking to her boyfriend. She said, baby, I'm going to jail. Baby, I'm going to jail. And then he's like, what the fuck? What did you do? Like, what's going on? She's like, I'm going to jail. And then he's like, where are you? She's like, please come, hurry, come right now. And he came so quick. I don't know how he even got there that quick. But she was just talking to him on the phone saying, I'm going to jail, I'm going to jail, I'm going to jail. I saw her sticking it like either under the seat or under the car, just trying to get rid of things.
Well, what did you see her putting underneath the seat?
I didn't see what it was. I just saw her grabbing, because I have bad eyes. I have my glasses right here. Okay. That flew off after when I hit my thing. So
after the DUI officer took the family's testimony, now it's the alleged offender's turn.
And that's your vehicle? Okay. Were you the only driver in there? Yeah. Okay. Do you mind telling me what happened?
Honestly, I have no idea because I didn't see them. I had my lights, like my glasses on, so I see everything. I had no idea. This is honestly my first car accident. Okay. So I have no clue.
Okay. So you said that you did not see them in front of you? No. Okay.
Not even their lights or the hazards. Like none of the above. And I've never been in a car wreck, point period.
I'm sorry, you never what?
Been in a car wreck, point period.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
Sorry, speak low.
No, you're good. So the crash investigation part of it has been finished. So now this opens up to a DUI investigation, okay? Mm-hmm. So it is going to be an investigation. You're under investigation, okay? No. All right, so I'm just going to read you the Miranda rights prior to speaking to you, and then we're going to go from there, okay?
Go ahead.
Okay. Jordan. I turned this on. Are you able to see this?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any questions before we start?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And do you understand everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Do not move your head. So the next one, it's called a walk and turn. So you're gonna put your left foot, see where you can move the white line. Okay. All right. When you are ready, and keep your hands at your side at all times, okay? When you are ready, you may begin. Okay. All right. You can stop. So do me a favor, the last one, you're gonna turn around. You're gonna put your hands up. You're being arrested for a DUI, okay? Yep, you can put on your shoes.
Okay.
I get it.
Listen, it's not the end of the world.
It is for me.
Trust me, it's not.
It is.
You'll see. It's not the end of the world.
So
I've never done this.
you're still super young. Take it as a lesson. Because tonight, instead of going in for a DUI, this could have been a homicide. Because if something would have happened to them, especially they had a little baby in the car. If something would have happened to the baby.
I'm a nanny.
Yep. So if something would have happened to them or the baby, you would have been getting charged with
The problem was
something.
I didn't even see their car. That's the worst part. And I had my glasses
Thank you.
on.
I appreciate it. I understand it. But I promise you this is not the end of the world. It's not. You'll see it. Take it as a learning lesson. These things happen. Unfortunately, sometimes you have to take a
My
look.
friend goes through this already. I had to support her.
Yeah. So you should have known a little bit better, right?
I mean, yeah, but like,
I understand. So let me cover you up so you're not.
it's okay. Don't worry.
No, I don't want you to
I'm really
expose.
nice. Don't worry.
I know, but I don't want you exposed. There's a whole bunch of weirdos out here, so we don't need to have you exposed, okay? So, listen, this could have been a lot worse. This is probably the best outcome. Luckily, you're okay, and luckily the other people are.
There's a whole bunch of weirdos out there. The only people that's out there is paramedics, law enforcement, and the people that's that's in the accident. What weirdos is she talking about? Is she talking about her coworkers? She must be talking about her coworkers or something. There's a lot of weirdos. I mean, don't get me wrong. The officer is right for covering her up, but I'm just like, that statement right there was just like, ain't nobody else out there. But, but anyways, shame on the boyfriend, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. You know what I'm saying? Like, listen, personally, I'm a drinker, not a smoker. You know what I'm saying? I know nowadays people, they smoke and all that type of stuff or whatever. But the thing is that, listen, if I had a girlfriend, right, and we was at the crib drinking whatever, things like that or whatever, and we vibing, you think I'm gonna let her drive home? Because the boyfriend said earlier that she just left my house. He must live right near there. That's how he got there so fast. But bro, if she's drunk, why would you let her drive home drunk? Call a Uber or something. Call a Uber. Like, come on, man. You ain't supposed to let her walk out there like that. And then you want to come talking about, oh, they ain't got their lights on, this and that. Man, you shouldn't have let her walk out that crib like that, man. Why you let her walk out the house like that? Get in that car and go somewhere. And she's under the influence, got a whole bottle. She got the whole bottle, threw the whole thing out. The thing said, ding, ding, ding. That mean there ain't even no liquor in there like that. Come on, man. Yo, you can't let your girl. These guys, man.
Okay, also, okay? All right. We're gonna walk over to my car.
These must be the weirdos she was talking about. Said there's a lot of weirdos out there.
So you're gonna turn around, face me. You're gonna put your butt up. Yep. Put your butt up. There you go. And I'm gonna lean over you and buckle you up.
Okay, if I get up my...
I'm just gonna cover you up. All right. I'll turn on some AC for you back here, okay?
Don't worry. I've never been in a car wreck, point period.
Eventually, she was charged with driving under the influence of alcohol and property damage.
Yeah. That's what you get, man. That's what you get. Driving under the, man. The boyfriend shouldn't have let her drive like that, man. And I know we shouldn't blame him or whatever, but listen, if it is her fault, she needs to take accountability. But come on, he you know what I'm saying? A lot of times girls listen to their boyfriend, you know what I mean? And they bet, because, the boyfriend's got the best interest in heart, you know what I'm saying? Whatever. If he would have said, yo, look, nah, you're not getting in that car. It's over with for that. She would have probably listened. You know what I'm saying? Like, nah, all right, let's call you an Uber. Let's call you a Lyft. Let's call you a taxi. Let's, something. or no, you staying over till the morning or whatever, or a few hours, sober up a little bit. But that should have never happened, man. That is just sad. Good thing the baby is okay. The family is okay. You know, because an impact like that with a baby, man, that's crazy. Because, you know, the brain is bobbling around. You know, it's a little innocent child, man. That's sad. That's a real sad situation. She deserved what she got. Anyway, I'm giving the cops 5 out of 5. They did a good job, man. They did a real good job. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.